Good morning mga my loves. See, today daddy is busy. He's fixing the AC service.
The washing machine.
Now Sophia is there. And then sorry for the
The
kalat-kalat.
washing machine too.
Okay, daddy is busy and then but even he's busy, the bodyguard of daddy is still there watching. Our Ruby, very nice. Daddy checking the aircon. Mm. Easy. But see? Hoy, bodyguard! He is busy always with daddy. Daddy too much busy doing his job. Daddy fixing the washing. This is the washing machine. And then the easy. Now sorry for the mess. But here also my small chicken. Ready for Christmas or ready for my birthday and Sophia soon. Ready for the birthday. Here we go, my alaga. Kali, Snow, and my sweetie pie. Where's my sweetie pie? Here you go. And then my princess here. Here beside my princess. I love you, princess. Now my Marites. Oh, Marites! See, this is my Marites, guys. My big Marites in life. Yesterday or the after yesterday, she bringing lighter. 2 lighter she bring. Then sometimes she bring also bread. I don't know where she get. No? Next time, Ruby, you bring naman dollar. Na, Ruby?
On the water.
Ruby. Now we on the water. Ay. Now while daddy is fixing, me also I'm busy cooking. My cooking is whatever I have vegetable inside. That is the last. I just mix it. Cabbage, potato, and ano bang tawag na isa na to? This is all our food for today. Later, I'm trying to make the sampurado because I miss sampurado. See, here you go. From my kitchen, and outside I open because it's very smoky. Now you can see my husband is there. And then here's also the Ruby. Ruby every time. Oh, Daddy, Ruby, biting your wire. Ruby always making for daddy tension. This is my view from my kitchen to outside. See, daddy is very busy. Ruby is biting. Thank you for watching, guys. Be kind. Love you all. Thanks for all your subscribe. Thanks for all your support. God bless us. Thank you to my subscriber, new and all. Thank you so much. God bless us all. Be kind. Bye, Mama.